Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing well. So let's start with computer class, chapter number 8, and chapter name is Images and Links in HTML5. So in the previous chapter, you have learned about the various elements and tags used in HTML and their properties. So this chapter explains some more extension elements of an HTML page like images and links. So how you will insert image in your HTML? So we are use the img tag. So here I have written one HTML code. So start with HTML, then head. Our title is height and width, then title close, then head close, then body section. We all if you want to insert a picture, if you want to insert a paragraph, if you want to change the settings, any settings related to your HTML website, so we are inserting in body section. Okay, in body section we are inserting the img. What is this? This is the image tag. The image tag is used to add images in HTML website. It is an empty tag and requires different attributes to be specified with it. These attributes for the image tag tell the browser how to lay out the page so that text can follow properties around the image. Clear? So in img tag we have inserted the one location of the image. So that's why we have written here src, means image source. What is our image source? How you will insert this means in C drive in users. Dell is your laptop name that we have used, and desktop, on desktop our one image is stored, that name is camel jpg. Okay, how you will insert the location? I will tell you. Like on your desktop, here one camel picture is there. Simply right click on it, then click on properties, and in properties section your location is given. This is our location. You will select this location with the help of mouse left click, then copy and paste into your notepad area. Clear? After, use this slash and write down the picture name. Like our picture name is camel and dot jpg. Jpg is the extension of image. Clear? So this is the way how you will insert the img source. Then you will write style. Style equal to, you will enter the height 70% and width 50%. Then notice that I have used here p tag. What is this? If you want to insert paragraph in your image with your image, then you will use p tag, then close p tag. Okay, then body close, then html close. Then you will save your html code with file name and dot html or dot stm. You will use any extension. Clear? Now I will run this program. So how you will run this program? Simply right click on your program, then open with Internet Explorer. Click on it. Now your program is run. Look here, this is our title and this is our image and this is our paragraph. Okay, so this is the way how you will insert a image in your HTML website. Next is attribute. The alt attribute display text as an alternative to the image. Sometimes a browser on the user's computer does not display image due to some reason, maybe because of slow connection or error in a src attribute. In that case, you can display the text to describe the image. So you will use the alt attribute. So here I have written one HTML code using alt attribute. Here I have written alt equal to image of sweet home and style is float right, means आपकी picture जो है वो right side display होगी, and width is 200 pixels and height is 150 pixel. Okay, now next is alt attribute The alt attribute display text and alternative to the image. Sometimes a browser on the user computers just does not display image due to some reasons, maybe because of slow connections or error in the src attribute. Sometimes we are put the wrong source, so our image will not show. That's why we are using the alt attribute. Okay, in that case you can display the text to describe the image. Okay, so here I have written alt attribute. Now I will run this program. So simply right click on it, then click on open with, then click on Internet Explorer. So this is the way how you will run this program. Now look here, your image will show on right side using alt attribute. Okay, and this is your title bar. Clear? Next is how to insert images in a table cell. So if you want to insert images in table, so we'll use a table tag, in then td data, table heading, border equal to 1 pixel, solid green color. Clear? Then we will enter in body section our caption means heading is our images, and h1 is a heading number. 6 headings are there, h1 6 heading styles are there, h1 to h6. So here I have used h1, then tr, table row, then table data, image source, this is our image source, and width equal to 100 pixel. Then heading number 3, h3 is the heading style, name is sweet home. Then second data is your camel. Then your tr close means table row close, table close, center close, then your body close, then your html close. And after return the html code, same method, click on file, then click on save, then write down the file name with extension .html or .html. Now I will run this program. Right click on it, then click on open with, and click on Microsoft Explorer and in any browser. Okay, so I will run this program. So this is our output. Here center caption is images, then 2 picture we have entered, one of sweet home and second is your camel. Then what is this? This is your headings. We have entered 2 headings, one of sweet home and second is camel, and this is our green solid border of table. So this is the way how you will insert images in a table cell. Clear? Next I will tell you how to insert links as button. We can also display links as button using css style. So here we have used a link. What is this? A link, a normal unvisited link. Okay, here I have used AR. What is the meaning of AR? A link when the user moves the mouse over it. Clear? And A action active means a link, the moment it is clicked. So this is the way how you will insert buttons in your website. Now I will run this program. So I will close this program. Now I will run this program. So double click on it. So this is the way how you will run this program. Now look here, this is our output. If I will move my mouse on this button, so this is one hyperlink will come. This is the way how you will link as a button. Next is how to insert videos in your HTML code. So we can insert videos files in our HTML page with the help of video tag. Okay, so this is our video tag. Here we have used the controls src. So what is the use of src? Specify the URL of the video file. And what is the use of controls? Control display the controls on the web page. What is the use of autoplay? Plays the audio files automatically when the web page is loaded. Height and weight. Specify the height of the video player displayed, and width, specify the width of the video player display. So I will run this program. Simply double click on it. Here this is your output. Okay, so this is the way how you will insert a video or audio in your HTML page. Hope so you all have understood about how to insert images, how to insert image in table, how to insert links as button, and how to insert audio and video. Thank you, class.